Imagine you search on Google for best laptop for students. Within seconds, you see several results at the top labeled sponsored. Those businesses didn't appear there by accident. They paid to place their ads in front of people who are actively searching for products like laptops. This strategy is known as pay-per-click advertising, or PPC, one of the most widely used digital marketing methods today. PPC works on a simple principle. Advertisers only pay when someone actually clicks on their ad. Instead of paying for general exposure, businesses pay specifically for user engagement. Platforms such as Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn Ads, and TikTok Ads allow companies to display ads to highly targeted audiences. When a user clicks on the advertisement and visits the website, the advertiser pays a small fee for that click. One of the biggest advantages of PPC is precision targeting. Businesses can show ads to people based on location, age, interests, search behavior, and even previous website visits. For example, if someone searches for running shoes, companies like Nike or Adidas can display ads specifically to users who are already interested in buying athletic footwear. This makes PPC far more efficient than traditional advertising because it focuses on people who already show purchase intent. Another important concept in PPC is the bidding system. Advertisers compete for visibility by bidding on keywords related to their products or services. For example, companies selling marketing software might bid on keywords like digital marketing tools or CRM software. Search engines then decide which ads appear based on a combination of bid amount and ad quality, ensuring that the most relevant ads appear to users. Marketers also measure the success of PPC campaigns using performance metrics such as click-through rate, CTR, cost per click, CPC, conversion rate, and return on ad spend, ROAS. These metrics help businesses understand whether their advertising campaigns are generating actual customers or simply website visits. Because results can be tracked in real time, companies can quickly adjust their campaigns to improve performance. Many successful companies use PPC to scale their growth rapidly. For example, online brands and e-commerce platforms often use targeted ads on Google and social media to drive traffic directly to their websites. Companies like Amazon also operate their own PPC advertising system, allowing sellers to promote products within Amazon search results. PPC advertising is powerful because it allows businesses to appear instantly in front of potential customers. Unlike strategies such as SEO, which take time to build organic visibility, PPC provides immediate exposure to people actively searching for solutions. When used strategically, it can drive traffic, generate leads, and accelerate business growth. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore another powerful marketing approach, content marketing, and how valuable content can attract and engage audiences over time.